Hello everyone, I'm excited to kick off a brand new course on ethical hacking, and today marks our very first class in this exciting field. In this tutorial, we are learning a lot of different things related to ethical hacking, such as what is hacking, all the threats that are to hacking, all the skill sets that might be needed, the whole process of ethical hacking. You'll be learning about a lot of the various domains and the process implementations within those domains, such as your web application, networking application, etc. Well, go ahead and end this tutorial by talking about web applications and a very intricate demonstration that will help you understand what kind of attacks can happen. So let's just get started with our seminar here. So what is hacking? Before we go into ethical hacking, let's just understand what is hacking. Hacking is basically a principle where a person or individual or a group of individuals try to break a computer system with some security flaws. That's the main definition of hacking, that you can also take it as a more like a bookish definition for ethical hacking. But in a general way, the ethical hacking is a broad term under different kind of hackers which are present throughout the world. So in hacking, it's not like that everything is illegal. We actually define the hacking with three different kind of hackers. The first one is black hat hacker. Black hat hacker is basically a person who tries to gain the access of the system, modify the system, or change something within the system. It could be your web applications, mobile applications, it could be related to your network, security or service, or anything. A person who modifies changes, updates, or adds some kind of security flaws without the permission of the organization or the individual are just considered as a black hat hacker. And this is the illegal part of hacking. So you might have heard about that. There is an anonymous group who works on hacking different credentials of the services and servers throughout the world. Some other prominent hackers who are also working as a black hat hacker. And the main goal of a black hat hacker is mainly to just exploit the system for his gains. It could be related to that he's trying to execute some kind of scripts to transfer the money from your bank account to his bank account. It could be related to that he's trying to access some kind of organizations and trying to take out their secret codes or secret information. So those are considered as black hat hackers. On the opposite side, we have white hat hackers. White hat hackers are basically the ethical hackers. On the opposite side, we have white hat hackers. White hat hackers are basically the ethical hackers which we talk about. So ethical hacking is a domain which is considered under the white hat hackers. So what are white hat hackers? White hat hackers are the people who do the hacking process but with the permission of the organization. So they are going to behave like black hat hackers, but they will have the permission of the organization. They will be provided with the tool set from the organization. They will be provided with the tool set from the organizations, and they have to report all the weaknesses, all the flaws, all the different things which they find out throughout the process to the organization. So those are white hat hackers. And ethical hacking is a part of white hat hackers, where we will have to permissions to conduct some kind of security test or some kind of penetration testing on top of applications, and through that we will formulate the report which will be used by the organization to conduct the security measures. So basically, why organizations need white hat hackers or ethical hackers? Because they want their product to be secure. They want that nobody from outside is able to hamper their product or gain some information or knowledge of the product by just escaping some of the different weaknesses inside the system. So that's why organizations go towards the white hat hackers and appoint them to just make sure that the security is maintained in between the black hat hackers and the white hat hackers. We have a third type of hacker which is known as a grey hat hacker. What is a grey hat hacker? This is actually a combination of black hat and white hat. But they don't do hacking for fun. They are mainly related to that. They are not doing hacking just for gaining some kind of illegal advantage. Why they do the hacking point? Because they want to have fun. They want to get renowned, or they want to earn some kind of bug bounty reports or top of the different security flaws which are present within the organizations. So bug bounty is one of the good examples of grey hat hackers, where they don't have to actual permission from the organization and they do the hacking process. But instead of exploiting the hacks instead of gaining some kind of monetary advantage from the resources or the servers. They try to report the same to the organizations in turn. The organizations provide them some kind of rewards regarding what kind of hacking they are doing. So basically three type of hackers: black, grey and white. Black hat, the illegal one, which are basically the groups and the people who try to hack and gain advantage. White hat, appointed by the organizations, behave like black hat, but they have the permissions to do the process of hacking. And grey hat, which are different, laying in between, and they do the hacking just for funds or acknowledge, and then they try to get some kind of rewards out of the organizations. So this is our first class of ethical hacking. I will be bringing you the second class soon. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. To stay updated with more videos and course updates, make sure to subscribe to my channel.